Hi everyone! Today was a good day, it was very nice and sunny, and I spent a good part of this day trying to redesign my back flower border, and I think the results are quite magnificent, and I'm going to show you how I did it and what I did it today. So follow me and let's look before and after pictures. So here it is, our flower bed, and as you can see from this picture, it was always looking a mess because there was not clear border between the flower bed and the grass, and it was just looking not nice and not neat. So I decided that it's time to redesign it, and today I was working the whole day to install all these bricks. And near the bricks you see a lot of sticks. Those are protective barrier for my boxwoods, which I also planted today. So let me show you around what I did. As you can see, bricks are old. I am reusing them. I went to the recyclable center in our town and I collected old bricks. I think that they look very well, they will age and they will look very natural. Old bricks are best, I think, are the best. And near the bricks, I planted boxwoods. These boxwoods arrived from the nursery as 18 months old plants. I needed quite a lot of them, so I decided to buy 100 plants from the wholesale nursery, and they agreed to sell it to me. I said that please do sell me those boxwoods. I will nurture them to their glorious maturity in my garden, and I'm willing to buy 100 of them. So they did. They agreed to sell me boxwoods, and they arrived the other day. I was very excited opening the package. They arrived very well, and here they are. I planted, half of them are out already planted, and these boxwoods are green velvet boxwoods from the famous Canadian nursery, Sheridan Nursery, and these boxwoods are very hardy. I garden in zone 7. Some websites give it a zone 6, and these boxwoods survive in our zone very well and perform very well. My garden is kids friendly garden. I have 3 kids and they love to play ball and frisbees, so I had to cut the sticks and protect my boxwoods from all the balls which are flying around every day here. I hope they will do a good job protecting my boxwoods. And then, probably in 2-3 years, these little babies will mature to their glorious size, which will be I would keep them around 2-3 feet high and 2-3 feet wide, and they will create a beautiful border. And it will look very good. All this area will look well defined and well designed, I hope. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and let's garden together.